Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, Mother's Day. Okay. The first and foremost, I'm going to tell you the summary of it. And it's a play written by J.B. Priestley, and uh, he reveals a bitter truth that how a mother's efforts are ignored by her family. Okay. And the play narrates how the family members who work 8 hours a day, they look upon her as a servant, although she works for the whole day and all the week. So it's a beautiful play, and when the play begins, we find that two of the friends, they are having a conversation, and they both two of the friends are Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald. Okay, so now Mrs. Fitzgerald, she's sitting at Mrs. Pearson's house, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is telling Mrs. Pearson's fortune and advises her on it. Mrs. Pearson now, she is sharing many things, many secrets with a friend, and she tells her how her family members don't value her, do not appreciate her, whatever she does for them. Okay, although she's available for them 24 by 7, but what they do, they just enter the house, they throw orders around her and leave without even saying thank you. Getting it? Two friends, they are having the conversation. Who are those friends? कौन है वो दो friends? Mrs.
Ma'am, Miss
Mrs.
Yes, sir.
Fitzgerald.
Fitzgerald
Okay,
and
they both are having the
Pearson.
conversation, and Mrs. Pearson, she shares the secrets with a friend, and she just tells her that how she's always looking after her family, she cares for her children, for her husband, but still they don't value her and do not appreciate her, whatever she does for them. They just enter the house through orders to her, she fulfills their orders, and then they leave out to enjoy their evenings, their night, without even giving or without even saying thanks to her. Now, Mrs. Fitzgerald, she's a very bold and very outspoken woman. Okay, she advises her friend, Mrs. Pearson, to take her stand as the woman of the house. Okay, to maintain her position as the woman of the house, the lady of the house, and ask her to change herself. But Mrs. Pearson, she is very sweet and innocent lady. Okay, she does not want to bring her family any sort of discomfort. कोई भी डिस्कम्फर्ट देना नहीं चाहती, ठीक है. एंड शी सेज दैट शी विल कंटिन्यू टू हैंडल द टेंट्रम्स वगैरह जो प्ले करते हैं, और क्यों, क्योंकि इट इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट व्हाट हैपेंड दिव्यांश माहेश्वरी.
गलती से हो गया था बाय मिस्टेक मैम सॉरी.
And she says that she doesn't want to create any unpleasantries in the house, doesn't want to create any tense atmosphere in the house, and then finally, Mrs. Fitzgerald, she keeps on advising her friend, but she says that now at this age, after so many years, it's very difficult for her to begin, okay, to begin the change. And she tells her friend that she does not know where to begin. Uh, okay, when it comes to making them disciplined, तो वो कहती है कि कैसे उनको discipline बनाऊं. I do not know how to begin, where to begin. So Mrs. Fitzgerald, what I said, a very clever, very bold lady, she proposes a plan to switch the bodies, okay, to exchange their bodies. Bodies does not mean something physical appearance, but to change, but their souls. And she says that she and her husband had been living in the East for many years. And from there they had learnt this magic of changing the souls, their bodies. Finally, in the beginning, Mrs. Pearson, she refuses, but finally she agrees to change their personalities, and Fitzgerald, she takes her place without her family knowing. And what happens now? Mrs. Fitzgerald, she becomes Mrs. Pearson, and Mrs. Pearson, she becomes Mrs. Fitzgerald. समझ में आया? मिसेस फिट्जजेरल्ड का सोल किस में चला जाता है? मिसेस पियर्सन में, और मिसेस पियर्सन का मिसेस फिट्जजेरल्ड में. नाउ न्यू मिसेस पियर्सन जो होती हैं वो कहती हैं फिट्जजेरल्ड को टू गो टू अ हाउस फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. अब नाउ शी एंटर्स द हाउस. ओके, फिट्जजेरल्ड अपने घर चली जाती है. विच वन? न्यू वन, जिसमें किसकी पर्सनालिटी है? पियर्सन की. आर यू गेटिंग बेटा?
Pearson.
होप यू ऑल आर नॉट
Yes, ma'am.
कंफ्यूज. Okay, everyone, I'm talking to everybody. Understanding or not?
Yes,
Sab-
ma'am.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
girls,
Yes, ma'am.
girls, what happened to the
Ma'am.
girls?
Yes.
वैसे तो क्लास में तो इतनी बड़ी
Yes,
चैटर
ma'am.
बॉक्सेस हो, यहाँ आवाज ही नहीं निकलती. कशिश एंड ऑल, सोनाली, महिमा एंड ऑल. No, yes and no. I don't know whether you are there or not attending the class. सिर्फ join कर लिया and might be here and there in the house. No response at all. Sakshi and all. Such grown-up children and like kids, I have to ask you every now and then if you are following what I'm teaching you or not. Only I think so the boys are attentive. So now what happens? Mrs. Pearson, new Pearson, okay, who is now Mrs. Fitzgerald, and Mrs. Fitzgerald, she becomes what? She becomes new Pearson,
Mrs.
and
Pearson.
yes, and
Mrs. Pearson.
she becomes Fitzgerald. तो दोनों अपने अपने घर चली जाती हैं. अपने घर मतलब मिसेस पियर्सन तो थी अपने
Yes,
घर,
ma'am.
लेकिन अब उनकी पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो गई तो वो फिट्जजेरल्ड के घर चली जाती है. एंड फिट्जजेरल्ड इज हियर. ओके, अब now she is there at home. Now she is somewhat a changed mother. Why? Because she is having Mrs. Fitzgerald in her. So now the daughter, the children, they enter, husband, he comes, and they are very much amazed, astounded on seeing Mrs. Pearson's, their mother or their wife's behavior. It has changed a lot. So when she's sitting there in the house, new Mrs. Pearson, Doris, her daughter, she enters, and she enters, and as always, she asks for tea and ordered her mother to iron her yellow silk dress. But mother, she was sitting, she did not pay any heed to her daughter. The daughter, she gets shocked at the sight of her mother smoking, and from there the argument begins. Okay, अब यहीं से आर्ग्यूमेंट शुरू होता है. डॉटर देखती है मदर इज स्मोकिंग, शी नेवर स्मोक्ड अर्लियर, so she was very much shocked, and she did not even mother, she did not care to make tea for her or to iron her yellow dress and so on. She did not get, the daughter doesn't get a very favorable reply. तो क्या होता है, एक आर्ग्यूमेंट शुरू हो जाता है जिसमें मिसेस पियर्सन जो है, she keeps on insulting her daughter and also insult Charlie Spence. वो उसका बॉयफ्रेंड जिसके साथ शी मतलब डॉरिस कहती है शी वुड बी गोइंग आउट इन द इवनिंग, तो उसकी भी बहुत इंसल्ट करती है. इतनी इंसल्ट होती है कि डॉटर इज वेरी मच शॉक्ड कि earlier mother, she never behaved like this, she never spoke like this, she very quietly like a dumb animal, she always obeyed the orders that were thrown by them, but now she was very much insulted. Okay, and Mrs. Pearson, she refuses to do any work for her. So finally Doris इतनी upset हो जाती है that she leaves the room and she starts crying. Then Cyril, उसका जो brother होता है ना, he enters, and as he enters again, like always, he asks for tea and something to eat. Now, even he was very much amazed when he finds that there was no tea made or mother did not give him anything to eat. Okay, and he tries to ask his mother if anything has been wrong with her, or if anything has gone wrong with her. Uh, Mrs. Pearson कहती है that she had never felt better. जो सैरल होता है वो बड़ा अनॉयड हो जाता है, और डॉरिस भी उसको ज्वाइन कर लेती है अपने ब्रदर को. सॉरी. एंड दोनों मिलकर अपनी मदर को ये एडवाइस करते हैं. मतलब not advises, rather they just argues with the mother, but मिसेस पियर्सन जो होती हैं वो इंसल्ट करती रहती हैं, और फाइनली वो ये भी कहती हैं कि शी इज थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग द वीकेंड ऑफ. ओके, मतलब वीकेंड तक शी विल नॉट डू, वीकेंड पर शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनी वर्क. बहुत ज्यादा शॉक्ड हो जाते हैं. उनको लगता है कि मदर माइट हैव बीन हिट बाय समथिंग ऑन हर हेड, इसलिए थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब हो गई, ये है वो है. तो इसी बीच व्हाट हैपन कि जॉर्ज, ओके, हस्बैंड ऑफ मिसेस पियर्सन, ही एंटर्स द सीन. अब वो भी काफी शॉक्ड कि देखता है कि ड्यूरिंग दिस डे, this daytime, he found his wife, she was drinking. Okay, ड्रिंक्स ले रही हैं, तो बहुत ज्यादा शॉक्ड हो जाता है वो. और वो ये अनाउंस करता है आके कि उसका कोई स्पेशल मैच है एट द क्लब, एंड ही डज नॉट नीड एनी टी. अभी कोई टी वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है. तो जैसे ही वो बोलता है तो मिसेस पियर्सन कहती हैं वैसे भी है, नो टी हैज बीन मेड टुडे. तो ये सुनकर वो बड़ा अनॉयड हो जाता है. मिसेस पियर्सन शी मॉक्स फॉर गेटिंग अनॉयड. ओके, उसके मॉकिंग करती है, मॉक्स हिम फॉर गेटिंग अनॉयड. और फिर कहती है कि when you go to the club and when he goes to the club and all ना, तो उसका ट्रुथ रिवील कर देती है कि जॉर्ज he is being insulted at the club and he's called with different names. Okay, टॉन्टिंग करती है उसको, एंड काफी टॉन्टिंग करती हैं, और उसको कहती हैं that he is loved there, he is made fun. Okay, there in the club, लोग काफी उसकी हंसी उड़ाते हैं, this and that. Now all these things they continue. Okay, काफी humorous play है बेटा. Meanwhile, finally क्या होता है, Mrs. Fitzgerald she enters. Okay, who is Mrs. Fitzgerald? Who's having the soul of Mrs. Pearson? She enters और देखती है कि daughter she had been crying और बहुत insult हो रही है husband की और सबकी. तो she tries to interfere. ओके, तो जैसे ही वो इंटरफियर करती है तो जॉर्ज थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाता है, क्योंकि ही फेल्स टू रिकॉग्नाइज कि भाई इसके अंदर कौन है, उसकी रियल वाइफ है. तो जॉर्ज को बड़ी गुस्सा आता है. एक्चुअली मिसेस पियर्सन कॉल्स हिम बाय हिज नेम, है ना, कोई मिस्टर या कुछ ऐसा नहीं बोलती है, उसको जॉर्ज करके बुलाती है. तो जॉर्ज को बड़ा गुस्सा आता है कि दिस नेम इट इज ऑलवेज बीन कॉल्ड बाय माय वाइफ. तो उसको बहुत गुस्सा आता है. लेकिन एनी हाउ उस सिचुएशन को कंट्रोल करना चाहती हैं. एंड मिसेस पियर्सन, है ना, जो न्यू पियर्सन है, जिनके अंदर जो एक्चुअली फिट्जजेरल्ड है ना, वो अपने एफर्ट से ट्राइज टू ब्रिंग जॉर्ज, डॉटर डोरिस एंड सीरियल ऑन ट्रैक. उनको सही रास्ते पर लेकर आती हैं. डोरिस एंड सीरियल एंड जॉर्ज they agree to help her in the household work, right? And finally they agree to help her in the household work as well as uh, और ज्यादा जो हस्बैंड होता है वो ये कहता है, of course, when they'll go out for outing and okay to spend the evenings, so surely they are going to take her with them, and from now onwards or from then onwards they would be helping her in the household work, would be very thankful for whatever she had been doing. okay, or whatever she will do for them. और finally वो ये declare कर देती है कि weekends पर Saturdays and Sundays she's not going to do any household work. All the work it would be done by the daughter, the son and her husband. And finally वो लोग agree हो जाते हैं इस बात के. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये तो बहुत
Yes, ma'am.
important है
Yes,
बेटा.
ma'am.
It's a long play and it's really a very beautiful play. बहुत humorous play है. और ये play देखकर हमें ये सीखना है कि we should never treat our mothers like a dirt. Okay? We should always honor them. We should always respect them. We should not throw any kind of orders to them. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.